I was I fucking forgot. Okay, I did not forget. I was too lazy to do the road to payout. Loki though, I need to log the fucking. I'm gonna restart it. What happened? Remember, guys, I had an XFA. I blew that shit. All right, I blew that shit. But now we're back on another eval. 51 288. We took a W yesterday and before yesterday, right? Two W's in a row, so we're 2-0 for this week. Let's see if we get any trades right now. We're bearish as hell, boys. We're looking for some crazy shorts. Looking for some good ass shorts right now, dog. Looking for some good shorts towards this low. We got insane LRLR. Why am I bearish? 1 hour IFG. This fair value gap has been respected because we inversed this 15 minutes fair value gap. And look at this insane amount of LRLR we have. And we got an NWAG here. Like, bro, we should just go lower at one point, right? Let's make it now. I mean, I didn't even check ES. Oh my god. I thought I had ES the whole time. I didn't. Alright, SMT. ES bearish. Yeah, ES is bearish. I want to see this 5-minute intermediate low get swept. I don't know. This isn't enough, dog. I mean, we got an SMT with it though. Look, if we could go to the second start, because this is that a thing, type of fucking day that is just gonna go straight to the draw, bro. We could probably front run this guy, boys. Probably front run this shit. SMT still holding. We might take this IFG, guys. Low-key, we get the sweep. I try this out pre-market. I mean, we get the sweep. Very bearish. 1 minute IFG could do it. I need my 1 minute IFG first, though. Oh my god. Can't really take this. We just took out internal. Okay, so I'm gonna miss this short basically. This low-key makes hella sense though, bro. Boys, this is gonna work for sure. Insane. Insane. We get a sweep, we get the IFG. It's a bit late, but the RR is still insane. I'm gonna give this a shot for real. This trade is insane, boys, honestly. I broke one of my rules, but I'm breaking it with discretion, okay? I'm breaking it with discretion for a reason. Hella bearish, we get the sweep, we get IFG, and we took out internal low. Yeah, we took out the internal low, but still, I still believe that we can get lower. We're not gonna get high from that. We're not gonna go high from that. No way. We're just going to dumb down. I'm gonna break my rules here with this internal sweep, but I believe in this trade. I'm not trying to be emotional, I'm trying to be discretionary, you know what I mean? Still believe this London was gonna get swept. Market opens here. Oh shit, that's bad. Let's see. We just edged my break even. Bearish SMT with the highs here with ES. Still believe that we could go to that London low. Still believe that we could go to that London low, bro, for real. Just in continuation short. Makes sense, bro, for real. Are we ever gonna take this low? Just edging this low, bro. It's insane. Okay, that's break even here. Risk free trade now. Same dump. This is good, bro. This is looking great. This is looking insanely good, boys. Let's go. This is why you take trades with discretion. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Insane. Risk-free trade, discretionary trade. Loki love this. Fucking fuck with it, bro. So bad. Let's go. You know, I'm just gonna keep my TP at this low, bro. I still believe we could go lower. I still really believe that we should go lower just from that low. We should not reject from that. We should dump. Crazy LR 2, man. Just gotta hold this, boys. If you get break even, it's fine. Great trade. Yeah, amazing trade, dog. Loki. But honestly, great TP. We should see lower. We should see lower from that. We got LR 2, man. We should at least sweep the London low, you know. Break even here. Okay, that's weird, dog. Break even. We might just go back lower now. Let's see. I fucked with this trade a lot, for real. See, guys, this is why you take trades with discretion, bro. We might end up going straight to the take profit now, bro. That's what might happen. We'll see. Would this be a bullish shooter swing, bro? I don't know why we should like no, dog. Still believe that we should go lower. Could this be a bullish shooter swing? I mean, I'm not bullish. We inverse 15. Should have held it. We swept the 5-minute intermediate low. I mean high. 5-minute intermediate high has been swept. Say 1 hour. Intermediate high. So dialed. Holy dial. Holy lock in chat. Why didn't we go through TP? I don't know. What the fuck is this? Like, what the fuck is this? Bro, would I take this IPG? Because they're so bearish? Like, I would take it, bro. I mean, sweep of the highs. Even with no intermediate low sweep, we should, like, still bearish, still believe in liquidity, man. Get a sweep here. I think we just want to take out these highs first. Break even on this internal low. Come on, we sweep these highs. Still leaning bearish. Still leaning bearish, boys. We come out, we sweep out these highs. That might be too top of a stop loss though. We come out, we sweep out these highs. IFT to downside. Still leaning bearish, bro, to be honest. This makes sense to me. Might not be the best SL though. Should have probably thought about it. on. I don't know, but I feel like this is a good setup. Just like weird. I don't know. Maybe I'm bearish. We come back higher, so we put it highs. The reason I'm confused is because, bro, we should have just dumped, right? Great volume for the inverse. Liquidity is we're bearish too, man. Like, I feel like it's a good trade, just confusing, dog. Like, I'm gonna hold this. Look, this because we're bearish, man. Great stop hunt. Stop hunt here. We stopped out a lot of people who had enter short earlier. But I don't know why we would go again lower and inverse this gap if we wanted to go higher. No, I mean, this makes sense, bro. To be honest, this makes sense. Shout out Jeffrey Epstein. Let's go, Jeffrey Epstein. I just realized I was not aiming for the London low, dog. That was crazy. Let's go, Jeffrey Epstein. Thank you, Jeffrey Epstein. Come on, go to TP, Jeffrey. Come on. Come on, Jeffrey Epstein. Go, go. Jeffrey Epstein, go. Jeffrey Epstein. Jeffrey Epstein, please. Please go to TP. Please, Jeffrey, please. Please, Jeffrey. You know what, boys? For the sake of this video, we're holding lower, chat. For the sake of this video, we are holding lower. Would that be a good idea? Probably not. Guys, should I hold lower? Just so bearish, bro. You know what? I'm holding. Believe in the Jews and Epstein. I believe in the Jews and Epstein. Come on. I believe in the Jews and Epstein files. I believe in the Jews and Epstein files. I believe in the Jews and Epstein files. Don't show the Epstein files. Don't show the Epstein files. Don't show Epstein files, please. No Epstein files, please. No Hapstein files. No Hapstein. No Hanstein files. No, come on. No. Hi, boys. We're closing here. Cause I don't want to have a SMT. I don't want to fight against that. Come on, Jeffrey. Come on, Epstein files. Come on, Jeffrey Hapstein. Order feared. Jeffrey Epstein. Jeffrey Epstein. Jeffrey Epstein. Alright. Let's see if we should have held it. I don't want to fight against a fucking... Hi, boys. We're so close. 750 away from passing, boys. Are we gonna go on for... Bro, holy shit. Let's see if I should have held. Nice London low, SMT, it is slow, bro. Shout out Jeffrey Epstein, boys. Shout out. Shout out Jeffrey Epstein. Alright, boys, I should probably held. I would have passed my fucking. I think I would have passed the eval. Alright, let me do a trade recap. Let's go directly to the trade recap. So, let's go back to market open. Before market open, we were bearish. This 1 hour fair value gap got inversed. Right? This 1 hour fair value gap got inversed. Alright, boys, so trade recap. So this 1 hour fair value gap got inversed, right? So after this 1 hour fair value gap got inversed, right? After this 1 hour fair value gap got inversed, we create another fair value gap right here. So now we have two options. Either we inverse this shit, right? Or we end up respecting it, right? Or we end up respecting it and then inversing a lower time frame fair value gap, which will tell us now that we are bearish. Conditions are bearish, right? Because if we wanted to inverse this 1 hour fair value gap to be bullish, we would have respected the lower time frame fair value gap. So if you respect the lower time frame bullish fair value gap, we're gonna push higher and end up inversing this gap. But why did I know that we were bearish? Because we came to this 1 hour bearish fair value gap and we respected it and we disrespected bullish order flow, telling me that we wanted to go straight to these fucking lows, right? Straight to these lows. You know what I'm saying? So then what do I see? I'm trading market open, right? I'm trading market open. I'm like, yo, I need to take a setup, right? Because it's one of these days where we're so bearish that we might just run through TP directly, right? And then what the fuck happens? We end up market open, end up sweeping out this internal high, AMD, right? Manipulation to this high, and then we end up getting a huge IFG. This trade, I broke my rules. But do I give a shit? No. Why? Because it was a discretionary trade. You know, you don't gotta always follow your fucking rules, right? So then we end up getting break even on this trade. And then we again end up getting another resweep into this 5-minute intermediate high. And back to this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, technically, my bias might be a bit wrong. Why the fuck are we going higher? But actually no, because we get a inverse directly to the downside, huge volume to end up targeting again London low. This is a trade recap, boys. Honestly, just bearish. I took 2 setups here. Pretty simple, bro. I took 2 setups here. We were bearish. Makes absolute sense. We came out, so I'm in 5-minute intermediate high. It's just kind of weird that we have like I thought that was a Judas swing until we got this 1-minute IFG. You guys could have counted this as a Judas swing, the move to the downside, right? Could have counted it because we might have been bullish, right? After this reaction, I'm like, oh shit, we might be bullish. What the fuck are we going higher? But we still inverse this fair value gap, which tells us, okay, we want to go fucking lower. Because people would have respected this fair value gap on any day if we wanted to be bullish, right? We could have ended up respecting this fair value gap, wanted to go a bit higher, and then from here we get a short. But I guess that price just really wanted to go lower. And my bias was right. So thank God, boys. This is how you know, like trade according to your bias, unless you get proven wrong. How could I have been proven wrong if we ended up just going higher and higher and higher? And then I see 10 a.m. versus this 1 hour, so now my bias switches. Bang, I'm bullish, getting for London high, Asian high. But I was bearish. Pretty simple. Yeah, it was. Thank God. I'm one trade away from passing this eval. Back to funded. I'm 3-0 this week. Yesterday's trades was closed out early, so I didn't really make 750. If I made 750 yesterday, I would have been like up crazy. But yeah, probably should have held though. You know we're all right.